an opinion. Should I keep quiet just because I'm a woman? Call me a bitch, cause I speak what's on my mind. Guess it's easier for you to swallow if I sat and smile. When a female fires back, suddenly they talk, you don't know how to act. So here's what a little boy would do, making up a few false promises. That for sure is not a man to me. It's not a name for popularity. He said you only get to me through controversy, but now it's time for me to come and give you more to say. This is for my girls all around the world. Around the world. For the men that don't respect your worth. Thinking all women should be seen like hers. So what do we do, girl? Shout out loud. Letting them know we're gonna stand our ground. Put your hands high and wave them proud. Take a deep breath and say, never can, never will, can't hold us down. Nobody can hold us down. Nobody can hold us down. Nobody can hold us down. Never can, never will. What am I not supposed to say what I'm saying? Are you offended with the message I'm bringing? Call me whatever, cause your words don't mean a thing. Cause you ain't even a man enough to handle what I say. If you look back at history, it's a common double standard of society. The guy can tell the fuck, the more he can score, while the girl can do the same and yet you call her a whore. I don't understand why it's okay. The guy can get away with it, the girl gets named. All my ladies come together and make a change. Start a new beginning for us, everybody say. For my girls all around the world. Yeah.
Can't get rid of us. We standing our ground on this one. Check. Here's something I just can't understand. If a guy have 3 girls, then he's the man. He could even give us some sex or raw. If a girl do the same, then she's a whore. But the table's about to turn. I bet my fame on it. Cats take my ideas and put their name on it. It's alright though. You can't hold me down. I got to keep on moving. Two of my girls with a man who be trying to mac. Do it right back to him and let that be that. You need to let him know that his game is whack. And little Kim and Christina Aguilera got your back.
They just so cute, so cool. You must talk so big to make up for small things. Just the beautiful. All you do is ignore. You must talk so big to make up for small things. This is for my girls around the world. Respect your word. What do we do, girl? Shout out it. Stand up and never can, never will. Hold us down. All my girls around the world. Yeah. What do we do, girl? Shout out it. Stand our ground. Take a deep breath and say, never can, never will. Hold us
Spread the word.
Can't hold us down.
Yeah. We here. We back again. Yeah. Little Kim and Christina Aguilera.
Need you to understand me, daddy. I ain't your average baby girl doing it, dog. I'm well established. I ain't trying to lead you on. Just wanna ask if you might wanna give me your name, explain your status. You know I see you time to time. You seem available. Don't mean I know these wanna settle you. Gotta say you on my short list of few. Them other dudes is okay, but I'm feeling you. Want you in the best way. What you gonna do about it? Why don't you just test me? You won't wanna do without it. No, I'm coming at you hard, eating the thug. And I ain't giving up till I get that gangster love. Always my tight, hair done, outfit crazy, skirts fit just right. White beater with a banging tan. Walking, demanding all lies. Baby, here I am. Ain't ashamed of my frame, and I know you're watching. Putting on a show for you, popping, I ain't stopping. Lot of action in your corner, yeah, you doing it too. Only thing to make it better though is me with you. And I know you feeling that regardless of your frontin'. And I heard through the streets it was me you wantin'. Let me find out you shy something, but I know you're not. So stop the games and approaches, you really not. Now it's in place. Shouldn't have took you so long in the first place. I'm just playing cutie. Yeah, give me a call. No, it's cool. You ain't gotta see me to my car. See, I'm a big girl, but you'll find out. Stuck for me while I drop top and ride out. We'll spin it. Wanna know what shorty's all about? But it's cool. I'm drooling and these words is coming out my mouth.
It's that gangsta love, that just got me bugging. It's that gangsta love, that just got me bugging.
We got to get it wrong. Mary J is in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright. Come on, baby, just party with me. Let loose and set your body free. Leave your situations at the door, so when you step inside, jump on the floor. Let's get it funk up, in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolating while you're waiting, so just dance for me. It's only gonna be about a matter of time before you get loose and start to lose your mind. Cop you a drink, go ahead and rock your eyes, cause we're celebrating no more drama in our lives. With a great track pumping, everybody's jumping. Go ahead and twist your back and get your body bumping. I told you leave your situations at the door, so grab somebody and get your ass on the dance floor. Let's get it